Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to fix problem with your Nvidia Sheild when actually TikTok is not working on that, so how you could also fix that. So first thing, just try to restart this device, so sometimes it also helps. Another thing, you could try to just clear cache from TikTok and just clear data from TikTok. So after, you could also just try to update your Nvidia just check system upgrade for it, and maybe you could also install it. And the latest option you could try also to just try to reinstall your TikTok APK file. So sometimes it also helps too. So I will show to you how we could do that on TikTok, like example of iOS. So you just need to open it. Just let's wait until it will load and just clear data and cache from your TikTok, or just try to reinstall it on your device, so sometimes it also helps too. So thank you for watching, just subscribe to my channel, click like, goodbye, and just please download my apps. I will add link to description and to comment.